We are social creatures, and we like to validate our ideas, and we like to know that someone else is thinking the same thing that we're thinking. You may end up seeking out a chat room. Discord is a really popular venue for doing this. A lot of people also will use chat rooms in Facebook groups, and also Telegram is getting really popular. The people you're going to end up talking with are usually the ones who are the most vocal because they're going to respond to you. And usually people that are the most vocal have, honestly, probably the least to say in a lot of cases. They're saying a lot, but they're not really expressing any unique ideas. So you may go to bounce ideas off people, and they may actually backtrack your thinking because they may respond to something outside of the context of what you're even saying. Now, in your own PKM system, you can write your ideas. You can then try to prove your ideas to yourself, back your ideas up with sources. Who else has expressed this idea? What were the responses to this idea that have already been out there floating in the ether? How can I take those ideas into consideration? You can do all of this right within your own notes system. You don't need a chat room to do it. And actually, a chat room will usually end up costing you a lot more time than just looking into these things on your own. Now, on the flip side, we're very social creatures. If you're having a hard time or maybe having a writer's block, have a conversation with someone that you trust with that topic. And if you can do this over a chat program, like maybe on Discord or in a text message, you can then just copy and paste that into a system such as, a PKM system, and you have notes from it. So let's say, for instance, I was telling someone about the 2022 financial bubble. I will start going off about crypto and about stocks and about overvaluation and the NASDAQ, about the electronic vehicle bubble. It makes a perfect evergreen note. And really quick, one other thing on this topic of being in chat programs. For a little bit, I started using Discord as a note system. I had my own Discord server with a bunch of different channels in it for a bunch of different topics, but really I just ended up using the general channel. And I still actually do use that general channel of that Discord server as what some may call a Zettelkasten and Slipbox, or maybe if you're doing the getting things done method, you may just call that your inbox. It's just a place where I can put a transient thought or something that I want to file later. I can put it right into that general chat on my Discord server, and it's just me on there, and it's just a private chat room, so no one else is going to see it. And then later on, I can go and file that. I can either add it to my to-do list if I need to, or I use Todoist for that, but I can add it to my to-do list if I need to, or I can add it into a note, into an evergreen note, or I can add it to a list. And I have just found that kind of useful because I'm personally in Discord a lot. I'm in a few different communities in there, and having the notes in there just works for me. It's also an easy place to share attachments with myself from my computer to my phone or whatever I need to do. So in any case, this is a topic that I'm probably going to talk about a lot more because I think it applies to a lot of people. And I think it's an important thing for us to think about. We spend a lot of time on our phones these days. We spend a lot of time in the digital world. We spend a lot of time chatting with people. And I think it can actually be harmful for some of us. And it can also be a really powerful, useful thing to stay in touch with friends, stay close with people that we care about, to bounce ideas off of people, or to get our own thoughts on something out into the world and then maybe get a response to it. And so if you like this video, please do go ahead and hit the like button. Please do go ahead and subscribe for more content like this. And please comment down below and give me your general thoughts about chatting. Do you think chatting is a productive or unproductive thing for you? And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thanks.